How to turn off airplane mode on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to turn off the airplane mode on Android, all you have to do is launch the settings application on your device. Now as you tap on settings, scroll down to connection and sharing over here. So tap on connection and sharing. As you tap on that, scroll down and you'll be able to see the option of airplane mode under the manage connection option. So right now you can see the airplane mode has been toggled on right now. So as you toggle off this option, you'll be able to turn off the airplane mode on Android. So if you want to turn on, then you can just have a tap on the toggling on option and then you'll be able to toggle on and turn on the airplane mode. But since we want to turn off the airplane mode, we're going to turn off and then go back. And that's how you turn off the airplane mode on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. See you next time.